think we could do this, guys? 2 knives, 2 hands, same throw. Oh, different knives too. All right, we're down here in Granite City, Illinois. Can't believe that happened. All right, guys, 2 different knives, 1 solid throw. We're gonna do a half spin. Remember, flick that finger, it'll rotate. And don't worry, this is not sharp, it's just pointy. I went ahead and sanded that down. It's like a little Pirate of the Caribbean knife. Like I was just showing you guys, you're pushing with your pointer finger. The knife will get there, it will rotate back to that target and stick. For more content, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks, guys.